Yeah, morning agora. You me stop lo bush inside lo place or call him Bikoro. Pronounced Bikoro. Lo Central Province lo Kairuku into lo bush. So me come round the bush pani ma post lo house na bunnies na slagan. So what we should do here Mosem? Natural habitat so. Jungle me burgi bush come inside do now clear area na. Mountain stop on top. So then mitlaba plati magi patim blagam 10 or 20 number ose. Sambla man burgi team dona. You saw grassland area na lowlands here but I'm on top the lake so altitude and change. Plus I'm cool. Breathing deep remember by short 20 league low wind. I'll make it a place here some make it every day so all fit finish. Because some blossom you saw finish. I can left too much. So yeah. So let me just give one blah picture lo. Somebody did picture where look some so la fair day we press stop there. Me turn screen post. How do I turn the screen on? Oh, I don't turn the screen now. There, bush here. Wild pig want them, wild buffalo, cow and stuff. So how people around here, you must put your wash now let. Manually gun too, must put your wash. So some me number me over hanatin. Plus no wood there. Must put your wash. Some are saying to us, stop them, but let's talk. Same time too, I think we must lost finish. You must follow up. You must put your wash low road na. Road by lost. Because time you lost now, and by your problem now. I'm bush same yeah. I'm bush walking now, bush walking. So yeah. Kind of really good bush track or same road for cow. So buffalo wild cow will stop. So anytime, I me bunging on anytime. So anytime, so look at, kind road to same. Look at, oh, kind of bush road to same. Really good bush road to same. Road to cow. So. Trekking there. It's more like a bush trekking. It's good exercise for obvious people like me. It's like you have to crawl and bend over and bend down, crawl, like road there, straight. So there's so many surprises in the jungle. Bush or same yeah. Kind of some magani, wallaby or bush kangaroo or stuff. Some kind of something when Miller Sokoli named it was also called a brown net in and all two stuff. So me looking me where is the best